Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network and Songbird, how they are revolutionizing DeFi. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Guys, before I begin with this video and start it, I would like to give a huge shout out to the Flare Network and Songbird community. They are one of the most passionate communities out there with crypto. I've covered a lot of coins, and Flare Network community is one of the best, guys. And I would like to give a personal shout out to Mr. Frank as well. He basically helped me with this logo that you can basically post this logo in your cover photo. So this is a huge shout out to him. Thanks to him, he covers a Flare network a lot. He helps me with the latest updates and news as well. A really cool guy, guys. So you can check out his X handle as well. I'm going to be sharing a piece of what he has posted as well about the Flare DeFi in this video. So yeah. So, anyways, guys, let me begin with the first and foremost with the chart and price of both Flare and Songbird at the time of the recording, guys. So, Flare is down 0.80% for the day. The price is $0.0395. Okay, so 0.03939. Market cap 1.36 billion approximately. Volume is down 69.94%. So, yeah, let us look at the 7-day chart. Okay, so in the last 7 days, Flare is up 18.47%. This is cool. Okay, so it has gone from almost 3 cents, 0.03212, all the way to 42 cents. Okay, 4 cents. Okay, 43 cents, 0.043. Cool. This is the monthly chart. It is up 86.08%. It has gone up from almost 2 cents all the way to 4 cents, like I discussed. It is down 1.16% for the year. So this is what I was talking about, guys. I wanted to show you guys this. This is a crucial level to where Flare is. It is basically testing out this resistance early high, the early high resistance over here. Guys, once it breaks out from here, we're going to be checking out where it can head next. So yeah, then it can go on and test its all-time highs, guys. So check this out, guys. This is on the verge of breaking out, in my opinion. It is only a matter of time. It is not if, but when, basically. It is still down 50.41% all time, but I do not know why that is, because in the chart we're seeing that it is closer to its all-time high. Let me look at the all-time low over here. So sorry, all-time high over here. So okay, so 7 cents, almost 8 cents has been the all-time high. It is down 50.84%. It will go on to test that, guys, sooner or later, that is for sure. Now, guys, let us look at Songbird as well, what Songbird has been up to, the Canary network or Flare network. Everything goes first through Songbird, and then it goes into Flare network, the main net. So like a lot of members in the community have mentioned time and again, that Songbird will pump first, and that then pump will then trickle down over to Flare network as well. So the market cap of Songbird is 155.31 million, so it is significantly down from Flare at the moment, and it has a lot of room to grow as well. The volume, check out the volume. It is, even though it is down, but still 560,000 is good volume. It is down 57.74%. Okay, so it is down 3.17% for the day. If you look at the 7-day chart, it is up 5.96%. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, down 94.77%, guys. One of the best opportunities in crypto, in my opinion. Songbird is, in my opinion, anything can happen, not financial advice, but it has a lot of upward potential. It is certainly going to test out its all-time highs sooner or later. check this out. This little birdie is going to leave its cage soon, and I truly believe this, but not financial advice. You have to do your own you have to do your due diligence, your own digging as well. Easy 10x in my opinion, and that's being conservative. That's cool. So, guys, now let me share with you a post which led me to investigating further and researching further. So, Mr. Frank Valentic, basically posted this introducing XDeFi, world's first compliant decentralized futures protocol. KYC tokenization means no centralized entity involved. FLR time series Oracle driven futures market. So, what is XDeFi protocol, guys? Let me share this with you. So this is XDeFi, world's first compliant decentralized futures protocol to launch on Flare network. The protocol's KYCT approach is the first of a kind for DeFi. So yeah, let me share this with you guys. Flare, the blockchain for data, has announced a partnership with Syndrix Solutions to launch XDeFi, a new decentralized futures protocol created by Wall Street veterans. XDeFi aims to raise industry standards for compliance and efficiency, delivering a trustless, non-custodial futures contract. Basically, guys, trustless means that no third party is involved. This is awesome. With regulatory uncertainty still in an impediment to larger scale institutional investment in DeFi, XDeFi represents a welcome proposition for major investors. The protocol's third-party Know Your Customer tokenization ensures 100% confidence that futures contract positions are purchased in a fully compliant manner. So, guys, let me describe and explain this to you. Basically, a lot of institutional investors are afraid of investing in DeFi. Rightfully so, because DeFi is the Wild West of the Wild West. Basically, crypto is the Wild West and DeFi is the Wild West of crypto. That is how uncertain DeFi is. Now, basically, XDeFi is trying to bridge the gap between institutional investors and retail investors, the institutional investors, as well as the DeFi landscape as a whole. Basically, they've got this third party know your customer tokenization, and which ensures 100% confidence that basically the customer that you guys will provide services to, or that are using your protocol, or that are basically using the app or whatever, are basically they have got that green signal. They have they have the top notch standards that the institutions require for whatever reasons, guys. They will have 100% confidence that they are totally compliant, even if the age if they even if they want to remain anonymous. The DeFi users want to remain anonymous, and the institutional investors want to know their customers. So basically, Flare Network and XDeFi, they are basically bridging that gap, guys. So this KYCT approach is the first of a kind for DeFi, ensuring full compliance without a centralized intermediary, broker, or custodian. So there are no third parties involved, guys. So this basically upholds the spirit of crypto, the spirit of DeFi, as well as involving the institutions as well. Flare technology has enabled the next phase in decentralized finance, paving the way for real-world asset pricing through FTSO telemetry and futures contracts enabled by on-chain smart contracts, said Santiago Velez, Vice President of Research and Development at XDeFi creator Syndrix Solutions. This is how a global financial system is built, one piece at a time. In my opinion, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Let me show you furthermore what XDeFi is all about. This is from the official the official website of Flare. XDeFi, the world's first compliant decentralized futures protocol. Flare has announced a partnership with Syndrix Solutions to launch XDeFi, a new decentralized futures protocol created by Wall Street veterans, guys. Created by Wall Street veterans. This is not a small thing at all, guys. XDeFi aims to raise industry standards for compliance and efficiency, delivering a trustless, non-custodial futures contract purchasing environment that operates 24/7. Guys, there have been a lot of trust has been penetrated, a lot of trust has been broken, and people are afraid of crypto as a whole. You guys saw the FTX scandal, you saw the Luna crash, and now the projects like Flare Network, they're basically trying to build that trust yet again by providing compliance, efficiency, and meanwhile maintaining that trustless manner of crypto as well, the trustless environment as well. Basically, this is great, guys. The futures contract uses a custom built API integration and brings third party compliance service providers to Flare for end to end on chain tokenization and compliance tracking. So they are going to be tracking that compliance in a without a centralized entity involved. With a non-custodial framework, users retain full control over deposits at all time for open contract orders. XDeFi boasts a fully decentralized settlement system combined with a cloud-based best pricing matching algorithm. This combination is used to match purchases of future contracts, resulting in intermediary-free long and short positions. That is awesome, guys. And you guys know that this is not the only thing that Flare Network is doing, and Songbird is first testing. There are a lot of things that Flare Network is doing. They've got their Oracle, Flare Time Series Oracle as well, which gives the external information to the on-chain protocol, and this involves DeFi as well. And we've talked about their enablement. They're enabling the smart contracts on Bitcoin, XRP, and Doge as well. That is awesome, and this is just the beginning, guys. This is going to go a long way. Let us look at how bullish people are on Songbird and Flare Network as a whole. Songbird looks mighty bullish to me. New monthly candle soon. Next week will be very interesting. Looking for a 3 cent Songbird next week. F assets are coming out soon. Obviously, everyone knows XRP will be the first to come out on Songbird. Like I told you guys, the profits on Songbirds are going to be coming first, according to a lot of proponents, and then they're going to be trickling down towards Flare Network. Is there any point holding any other crypto other than Flare, Songbird? I mean, they're all going to be subcontract assets on Flare. So basically, every crypto that you know of who do not have smart contracts, they are going to be subcontract assets on Flare. You're basically buying secondary tokens. You're buying so many tokens while you're buying Songbird and Flare Network. March is coming, and then comes S asset maybe. What do you think will happen after that? Taking into account that bank needs smart contract capabilities. So they will all use XRP, XLM, QNT, ALGO, BTC will all use Flare, Songbird to achieve that goal. Banks will then have a smart contract asset liquidity pool. By the way, let me say one thing that Soroban has launched. XLM is basically launching its own smart contract protocol as well. So, in my opinion, BTC, XRP at this moment remain the key drivers of Flare smart contracts. Let's see what happens. As well as Doge, which is a popular meme coin. Songbird looks so good on the 4 hour. So this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. As far as Flare is concerned, check this out. Flare, connect everything. Awesome. Flare $1, Flare $5, Flare $10. This is cool. This is awesome. So yeah, guys. Flare, in my opinion, has a lot of upward potential along with the Songbird, and now that it is penetrating, disrupting DeFi, it has a lot of room to grow, guys. It can grow a lot. Let us look at a few posts from Flare as well by the community. Let us check this out. Is there any point? Okay. Flare Network and crypto gave a working class man like me hope in a life I would never dare to dream of. So yeah, this is all about people empowerment, guys. Yeet. Flare at 4 cents, baby. That is cool. And it is only the beginning, guys. This is going to go a lot, plus 10% in the last 24 hours. The solar flares continue to come in hot. Flare is now up to 500% in 4 months since the lows below a penny back in October. Awesome, guys. It is only the beginning, in my opinion. What do you guys think about the Flare Network and DeFi? What do you guys think? Is this a good addition to what Flare is doing? In my opinion, Flare is going to be disrupting a lot of realms, sectors a lot, and that this is only the beginning. What do you guys think? In my opinion, Flare Network and Songbirds are here to revolutionize every realm, every sector, guys, every area. What do you guys think about it? Do hit the comment box below and to let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon for regular updates on utility coins and potential gems. And one more thing, what do you guys think? When will Flare hit its all-time high? When will Songbird hit its all-time high? And what do you guys think will the price be in 2024? Do hit the comment box below to let us know that as well. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.